If you want to change the sound EQ on OnePlus 15, then in this case you need to first download an app that allows you to do so, because unfortunately there is no built-in option that would allow you to quickly adjust the sound EQ. So we can go to the Play Store, we can use search, and we can just type Equalizer. You should be able to find some example apps, of course. Many of them work in a pretty similar way. In my case, I'm gonna choose this app over here and I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. However, if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other of these apps that we have over here. So once we open it, we can tap on consent over here. We can enable the equalizer quite easily, but first we need to grant some permissions. So we can tap on the give permission option in order to do so. And as you can see, we have our equalizer, which can be manually adjusted. You can adjust the loudness on different frequencies. You can also tap on here in the upper right corner in order to find some example presets that you can use. And also we have different profiles. We can also choose, for example, the bass boost over here. You can easily adjust the bass boost in here in this place. The loudness, we also have the virtualizer, and we can adjust the audio balance if needed. In the upper right corner we have settings, so you might want to check that out as well in case you need to. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.